In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to bulk remove WordPress comment. So if you have lots of comments on your WordPress website and now you are wondering to delete your all comments or pending, approved, spam, trash, all comments at once, follow this simple and quick step-by-step guide. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugin, add new, and search here delete all comments, and here you will get lots of free plugin you can use to delete all comments. But right now we will use these delete all comments of WordPress by Navneet Sunny plugin. So install this plugin and activate, skip, once you activated the plugin, hover over on tools, click on delete comments, and you will jump into the plugin settings page. To delete spam, trash, pending, approved, all comments at once, select all comments and click on delete now, and your all comments will be deleted. And if you want to delete all comments in moderation, then select this option. If you want to delete all comments in approved, select this option. So I will delete my all comments. So I'm gonna select in here all comments, delete A to Z, click on delete now. And now I'm going to my comments page and reloading this. And here you can see all of my comments have been deleted from my WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.